Hey, it's Anna with WTI. And helping me complete the spa experience in my new bathroom is this incredible towel from Cala Angel.
This towel is perfectly oversized, perfectly dense. It is so comfortable and cozy. It is made from 100% Egyptian cotton. And can I just say the packaging is immaculate? You feel so luxurious from the second you open it. This silver chain detail is just so beautiful. And like I said, this towel is huge. I am about 5'5" and I can hold it up directly in front of myself and I'm completely covered. It is cushy, soft, warm, and will make you feel like you just checked into a five-star hotel in your home.
If you want to experience true luxury in towel form, then you need this 100% Egyptian cotton towel from Cala Angel. It is so incredible. You're going to absolutely love it. And that's my point of view.